You know, as well as being borderline ADHD and having wonky teeth and lapsing into the occasional case of Tourette's, another thing about me is that I'm really tight with money. Come and see what I've been doing to save money on shaving. This blade I've been using since Christmas last year, and it's still shaving absolutely perfectly well. How did I do it? I watched an old cowboy movie. And in that movie, I saw that once every 3 months or so, when the cowboys would come in from the range, there was a couple of things that they wanted. That was whiskey and women, but before the whiskey and the women came a long soak in a bath and a nice close shave. In those days, they used cutthroat razors and a leather strop to keep them sharp. Well, I figured if a leather strop would work on a steel razor blade in the 1870s, I figured that something similar would work on a steel razor blade in 2020, and I was right. Actually, I did it way before 2020. I've been doing this hack for a long time now, and it's so simple. When you've finished shaving, you clean and dry your razor, and before you put it away, you do this one cool thing. You rub it 20 times backwards up your forearm. It won't even take the hair off because you're going backwards. But by doing this, just like the barber in Texas did in the 1850s and 1860s on the leather strop that he'd keep down the side of the barber's chair, it works exactly the same way. And there it is, a completely refurbished razor ready for next time I need it. Okay, it's long lost its little lubricating strip, but that really doesn't matter because you're going to be using a nice high quality shaving foam because you care about your face. I hope this has helped. Every little dollar saved is a dollar made, and it's another 15 minutes that you don't have to work to earn the money to pay the people who make the razor.